Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a little upgrade on the interior. I found some billet door lock slots for 99 through 07 classics cat. All right, guys, the company is Billington. We're going to be replacing these. They have a real nice finish, billet polish. $25 for two, so I bought two sets. So we're going to be doing the install now. All right, let's get to it. All right, guys, I'm removing these door locks. Pretty simple. Flat screwdriver. I use one of these panel remover with a little rubber seal. I got them off of Amazon. So push it on the top side. So you're going to see a slot here and a slot there. You can pick one side. Get a screwdriver in there. Okay. Pliers, and it removes that. Okay. So now on the billet, see these slots? These slots are the ones that are going to lock in place. So put one in there. Now all you're going to do is push the plastic, and there goes your slot. Okay. Obviously. Pretty simple. Push it into place. We're doing the rear door. Same process. Easy. Pop it out. Twist it on one side. Twist it on the other side. And it comes right out. Same thing. I'm going to try to show you guys a little bit better on this one. Take it through there. Then you're going to have the little clip. All you do is push it down. Works. And then same thing, line up your door lock. So I go forward. That means unlock. Just got to line the pin with it. Pretty basic. Try the power door lock. That's how it came out, guys. Gives it a real nice touch to the door panel. Definitely adds on to some of the billet I'm already adding on to it. All right, guys, you made it this far. This is the end of the video. I'm going to be uploading a picture of the business card, Billington, where the company I got the billet door locks. They have a bunch of other billet accessories. And please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one.